Jump quicker. Oh God, it's high, isn't it?
You are?
It's high, isn't it?
Good morning. Just turn that off. How is everybody? Hope you're well. Bloody raining once again here. As you can tell, Mr. Positive over here. But on the positive side, this is dug. I'd say there's about 12 tonne come out of here. And it were only, 1 metre wide by 1.5 high on a triangle. And it just had loads of stuff in it. Just loads in it. I think it was fluffy stuff as well. We'd still had some from the turf area to take away as well. But I kept that wall in basically just to support the digger while it were on it, so it obviously didn't slip that way. So now all we need to do, we're gonna have us lunch. All we need to do is break that out, and then it'll feel even bigger. Get that round front, prep for footing, put footing in tomorrow. But yeah, that's it. That's it really. Nice. Oliver's away in Poland, so that is what we've been doing this morning. Tom's been barrowing. God bless his soul. I wasn't saying that 2 minutes ago, fucking moaning about it. But yeah, anyway. I'm off for my lunch. Catch you soon. You want to chuck them up here, T? Yeah, I'll chuck them round. Chuck them round with it. Not bad. Pushing banner. Almost like banners.
Stabilising
Yeah. Pulling me, if you like. You know, rather than me pushing off my leg.
you. Right, that's it then.
Fucking barrel of die.